How to insert citation in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Then simply click on References. In References, you will find Style. In here, you will find all these options. Click on One Citation, or simply click on Insert Citation, then add New Resource. In here, you can choose type of resource, title, year, city, publisher, and edition. Simply click on OK and you're good to go. Simply choosing Insert Citation, you will be able to insert citation in Microsoft Word as you want. That's how to insert citation in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.